Looking to cook some fluffy American style pancakes on your Weber Q1200n? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a recipe and how to cook the perfect fluffy American style pancakes on your Weber Q. This one has been requested quite a bit. Let's jump straight into it. Well, so before we start preparing our pancakes, there's a few things you're going to need. First up, you need either a Weber Q ware pan or a flat plate in your Weber Q. So we'll get our Weber Q preheated and then start preparing our pancakes. For a recipe, you're going to want some self-raising flour, some caster sugar, eggs, some milk that can be full fat or semi-skimmed. Just going to set our timer for 1 minute. 1 minute, our pancakes started to bubble, so it's ready to flip. This recipe should make around 12 pancakes for around 4 people. You can double the mixture if you like. So let's get these plated up and give them a bit of a taste test. Don't forget, if you use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy the video, and as you can see, the pancakes are really easy to make if you follow that recipe. It does cook for around 4 people. On average, you get around a dozen pancakes. If you want more, you can double the mixture. It's entirely up to you, but they do turn out absolutely superb. It's a great recipe for the kids on a weekend, and you can serve them with ice cream, berries, or even maple syrup, as I did. Now, for those of you struggling to clean your Weber Q1200n, check out this video next. And for those of you looking at buying the Weber Q1200n rotisserie, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you next one.